Hi friends, you must have heard from many people that UPSC examination is an unpredictable examination. But let me tell you, this is far from true. As per my experience of taking the UPSC examination 6 times and cracking the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times and the mains examination 4 times, I can tell you that UPSC is one of the most predictable examination if you have the right strategy and mindset for this examination. Most students who say that UPSC is unpredictable examination, they have failed to understand the demand of the exam. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what kind of mindset is required to crack this examination with least effort. So if you want to crack 2025 civil services examination with least effort, please do watch this video till the end. I can guarantee you, you are going to learn something new. Guys, recently I was scrolling the internet, YouTube, and I came across a video. In that video, one person was analyzing the General Studies Paper 1 of UPSC Mains Examination 2024. In that video, he was saying that this question, what is the concept of demographic winter, is the world moving towards such a situation, elaborate. This is a General Studies Paper 1 question, and he was saying that this question is really very tough because this word demographic winter was not there in this year's current affairs, and this word was also not there in the Hindu newspaper, in the Indian Express newspaper. This word was there in some European newspaper. Guys, many people will fall in the trap of now reading the European newspapers and will waste a lot of times. Guys, in UPSC examination, don't run after resources. If you run after resources, you will keep on running in this entire journey and you will not even crack prelims. The real strategy, the easiest strategy to crack this examination is understand the demand of the exam, how and why UPSC has framed this question. Is there any logic behind that? So guys, now I'm going to show you some magic. If I tell you that this question, the answer of this question was there in the prelims examination 2024 itself. Again, I repeat, the answer of this mains question, General Studies Paper 1, was there in the prelims examination itself. You will be shocked. Let me now show you. So guys, you can see these were the two questions which came in the prelims examination. You can see here the total fertility rate in any economy is defined as, and the second question, consider the following countries: Italy, Japan, Nigeria, South Korea, South Africa. Which of the above countries are frequently mentioned in the media for their low birth rates or aging population or declining population? Guys, you can see here the phenomena of low birth rate or the phenomena of aging population is nothing but demographic winter. So if you had taken the prelims examination sincerely and if you have analyzed the prelims paper sincerely, then you could have done some Google search on internet and you would have come through these articles. You can see here, baby bust, Italy faces a demographic winter. The battle for birth, how far right are exploiting Italy's demographic winter. You can see Pope Francis calls on Italy to boost birth rate as Europe weathers a demographic winter. So guys, the entire internet you will find so many articles about Italy. And you can see in 2024 prelims examination, there were three options and there were three countries mentioned, and one of that country was mentioned Italy. Then another was Japan, and third was South Korea, which are facing this problem of falling fertility or aging population. You can see guys, UPSC answer of the mains General Studies Paper 1 demographic winter was there in the prelims only, prelims question paper only, because the question says what? Illustrate with example. You would have given the example of Italy. Okay, it was given in the UPSC prelims paper only 2024, this year's paper. And that a lot of students who wrote this year's paper, they were saying, okay, they did not know what is this demographic winter and they left this mains question. Guys, that is what is needed to crack the UPSC examination. You will not know all the answers, but you will have to apply your common sense, you have to apply your analysis of recent years papers, and whatever you have read recently, you have to apply that knowledge. That is what you have to do. Many people are not doing the PYQ analysis in the right manner. Guys, let me tell you, I have scored the highest marks in the prelims examination. In many of the GS paper, also in the mains examination, I have scored one of the highest marks. Let me tell you that if you analyze the PYQ, if you learn the analysis of PYQ in the right manner, guys, no one can stop you from cracking this examination. Because once you learn how UPSC is framing a question, why UPSC is framing a question, what is the recent trend of the UPSC, no one can stop you from cracking this examination. Guys, in this year's prelims question, there were two questions on fertility rate. Two questions. Just now I have showed you two questions on fertility rate. One question directly on this theme of demographic winter. And exactly that same question came in the mains examination. And I can openly challenge and I tell you that if 100 people wrote the mains examination, only 10 people could have written this answer very well. 90 people who could have said, okay, this is a new question. First time I'm hearing demographic winter. I have not read in my coaching institute's material, and they would have left this. Let me tell you guys, in my DPS classes, I had exactly discussed this. I have given the proof also in my how I predicted the mains exam. You can go and refer it. I had exactly taught this, why the developed world is facing the problem of falling fertility rate. What is the reason for that? So guys, this is how you crack the examination, and this is why I say that UPSC is a very predictable examination. But the thing is, you should develop the right mindset. You should understand the examination. Guys, there is a famous saying that you need not fear the battle. You need not fear the battle if you understand your enemy. The problem here, most of the students, they fear the UPSC exam. Why? Because they do not understand the exam. They do not understand the need of the exam. Once you start understanding the need of the exam, once you start understanding the trend of the exam, guys, you need not fear this exam. You can see from my example only, na, 6 out of 6 prelims I cleared. This means what? There is certainty in this exam. So guys, if you really want to crack this examination, if you want my guidance, this is my Telegram ID. You can contact me. I would love to help you.